Spendee app review. Is this budgeting app actually worth using? So in this video, I will give you a full breakdown of Spendee and whether it fits your financial goals. So make sure to like and subscribe. First is its user interface and ease of use. Spendee offers a clean, intuitive design with easy to understand visuals. Color coded budgets, spending breakdowns, and wallet features make tracking expenses feel simple, even for beginners. Second is the features. You can link your bank accounts, create shared wallets with family members, and set budgets for categories like food, rent, or shopping. Its real-time syncing and notifications help you stay on track. Third is the customization. Spendee gives you flexibility to set multiple budgets and view them as pie charts or bar graphs. It supports multiple currencies, which is great for travelers or freelancers. Next is the pricing. The free version has limited features. To access features like automatic bank sync and unlimited wallets, you will need a premium plan, which starts at around $2.99 a month. So for the pros, it is easy to set up and user-friendly. It has beautiful and functional design, and it has shared wallet functionality is a standout. While its cons is that the limited free version and the bank sync may not support all countries. So, for final verdict, if you are looking for a well-designed, beginner-friendly budgeting tool with smart insights, Spendee is definitely worth a try, especially with its shared wallet feature. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.